Hello friends, in this video series, let us learn Telugu version for some commonly used English phrases. Here is volume 5 of the series from 101 to 125. Okay, the next phrase is from India, sir. So here this is very small phrase. భారతదేశం నుండి sir. It is like a continuation answer in the previous sentence. It might be like where are you from? So this is the answer for the question where are you from? భారతదేశం నుండి sir. That means from India, sir. Oh, in that case I can say, then whatever you want to say you can say in this dot. So the Telugu meaning will be like this. Oh, అలాంటప్పుడు నేను, then you can say whatever you want to convey. For example, you understand something, then you want to reply, so you can convey your message, then say చెప్పగలను. In that case means అలాంటప్పుడు. I can say means నేను చెప్పగలను. It is smaller than Bangalore. ఇది బెంగళూరు కంటే చిన్నది. ఇది బెంగళూరు కంటే చిన్నది. It is smaller and means ఇది చిన్నది. Than means కంటే. The area of Singapore is 708 square kilometer. సింగపూర్ విస్తీర్ణం 728 చదరపు కిలోమీటర్లు. So here the area means we can say విస్తీర్ణం. In this, when we are measuring the area, we can say vistirnam. The word area has different meanings, but when we are talking about measurement, we can say vistirnam. 728 means 700. Let me write this one in English. 728 చదరపు. This is చదరపు. Cha stands for cha ki mi. In short form we write like this. So cha stands for చదరపు, ki stands for kilo, mi stands for meter. Then we add lu suffix because this is plural number. "63 islands in total." మొత్తం 63 ద్వీపాలు. So here 63 means 63. Islands means ద్వీపాలు. Total means మొత్తం. You means మీరు, I means నేను, he means అతడు, she means ఆమె, it means అది, we means మేము or మనము, they means వారు. Woman, wife. Here woman means స్త్రీ, wife means భార్య. Man, husband. Man means మనిషి, husband means భర్త. Small boy, big girl. Small boy means చిన్న పిల్లవాడు. Small means చిన్న, boy means పిల్లవాడు. Big girl means పెద్ద అమ్మాయి. Big means పెద్ద, girl means అమ్మాయి. Family, father, mother, baby, child, children. Here family means కుటుంబం. Father means తండ్రి. Mother means తల్లి. Baby means బిడ్డ. Child means papa or babu. Papa like a girl, babu like boy. We have a separate meaning for the child, for boy and girl. Children means bidda or pillalu. So this one I will remove, because children we can say pillalu only. Okay. Son, daughter, brother, sister. Here son means koduku, daughter means kumarte, brother means sodarudu. Sodarudu is the common meaning, but we have a specific meaning for elder brother and younger brother, you know already. Annaya for elder brother, Tammudu for younger brother. Similarly, sister. Sister means sodari. Sodari is the common meaning for younger one or elder one. So for elder one we say akka, for younger one we say chellelu or chelli. Friends, may I have your attention please? Friends, may I have your attention please? So it means మిత్రులారా దయచేసి మీరంతా నా వైపు దృష్టి పెడతారా. Actually this one we cannot translate word to word, but this is the whole phrase meaning. But let me try to explain. Friends means మిత్రులారా. For example, there is a meeting going on and the members are talking each other. There is so much noise, so if you want to call their attention in Telugu you can say like this: దయచేసి మీరంతా నా వైపు దృష్టి పెడతారా. దయచేసి మీరంతా means like all of you. నా వైపు means like my side. Actually the word to word translation is like this: నా వైపు దృష్టి పెడతారా means look at me. This is the meaning for this one. Look at me. Friends, please look at me. This is the meaning. But this one we can use to translate may I have your attention please. Nothing important. It is okay. No worries. Here nothing important means ముఖ్యమైనది ఏమీ లేదు. It is okay. It is okay means పర్వాలేదు. No worries means కంగారు పడవద్దు. Do you remember means మీకు గుర్తుందా. Actually in Telugu it is considered as past tense because gurtunda we are asking the past, but it's okay to use to translate this phrase also. Did you remember or do you remember? Both we can use this translation. Yes, I remember means నాకు గుర్తుంది. Yes means అవును, నాకు గుర్తుంది means I remember. Sorry, I don't remember means క్షమించండి. Sorry means క్షమించండి. I don't remember means నాకు గుర్తులేదు. Since this is past tense like gurtuledu, you can also use in English like I didn't remember, but for I don't remember also we use the same meaning. Naku gurtuledu. I will try to remember means nenu gurtunchukovadaniki prayatnistanu. So here I will try means nenu prayatnistanu. So using this structure I will try plus to plus any verb, you can make many sentences. For example, I will try to come. Coming means రావడం. So నేను రేపు రావడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తాను. To remember means గుర్తుంచుకోవడానికి. I don't care means నేను పట్టించుకోను. I don't care means నేను పట్టించుకోను. Should I wait means నేను వేచి ఉండాలా. This is word to word translation and used in written Telugu, but in real life situations we can use something differently. You can skip the word వేచి. You can say నేను ఇక్కడే ఉండాలా, నువ్వు వచ్చేంత వరకు నేను ఇక్కడే ఉండాలా. Like the వేచి can be skipped in the spoken Telugu. నేను ఇక్కడే ఉండాలా, కెన్ ఐ వెయిట్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ, లైక్ దట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్ టు యూ మీన్స్ ఇది మీ ఇష్టం, ఇది ఆర్ అది మీ ఇష్టం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సంబడి ఈస్ ఆస్క్డ్ అండ్ దే వాంట్ టు నో ద ఒపీనియన్, దెన్ ద రిప్లై విల్ బి ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్ టు యూ మీన్స్ ఇది మీ ఇష్టం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీన్స్ ఉదాహరణకి. If you want to say something with some examples, before that you can say udaharanak or udaharanaki, then start the explanation. Anyway, wait for a moment if you have time. So here anyway means actually anyway means ఏమైనప్పటికీ, but to make it as a meaningful sentence we can add this one, ఏది ఏమైనప్పటికీ. ఏది ఏమైనప్పటికీ, it also means something like at any circumstances. That phrase also having same meaning, but we can use in this context also. Anyway means ఏది ఏమైనప్పటికీ మీకు సమయం ఉంటే, మీకు సమయం ఉంటే, that means if you have time. If you have time means మీకు సమయం ఉంటే. If you have means మీకు ఉంటే. So you can also make many phrases using this structure. If you have money, that means మీకు డబ్బులు ఉంటే. If you have book, మీకు పుస్తకం ఉంటే, like that. If you have a fever, మీకు జ్వరం ఉంటే, like that. You can make many sentences using this phrase also. So the next one is wait for a moment. Wait for a moment means, wait means వేచి ఉండండి, but as I mentioned before, in spoken Telugu you can skip the word వేచి, but adding వేచి is the proper sentence. మీకు సమయం ఉంటే ఒక నిమిషం ఉండండి, that is also acceptable in spoken Telugu. So for a moment, for a moment means ఒక్క క్షణం. You can say ఒక్క క్షణం. Surely I will wait here. Surely I will wait here means ఖచ్చితంగా నేను ఇక్కడ వేచి ఉంటాను. So surely means ఖచ్చితంగా. I will wait means నేను వేచి ఉంటాను. Again you can skip the word వేచి while speaking because it's more common to skip that word in speaking. Here means ఇక్కడ. I'm not feeling well, doctor means నాకు ఆరోగ్యం బాగాలేదు, డాక్టర్. సో not feeling well means ఆరోగ్యం బాగాలేదు. Here we did not use the word I meaning because it is నాకు. నాకు means to me. Then ఆరోగ్యం బాగాలేదు means not feeling well. The next sentence is where is the problem? సమస్య ఎక్కడుంది? సమస్య ప్లస్ ఎక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది. ఎక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది became ఎక్కడుంది. Problem means సమస్య. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video.